Feeling lost in the world of video content creation or unsure of the direction you want to head to? Well, you're not alone. Like many creators, big and small, they all face the challenge of defining their unique vision. It's like wandering through a creative fog, unsure of where to step next. But don't worry, in this video, we'll illuminate your path and guide you through a simple process to uncover your true video vision. Before we dive into the world of video creation, let's take a moment to reflect on ourselves. Who are you? What makes you unique? What are your passions that ignite your soul? Maybe you are a history buff or a tech enthusiast or a foodie. Perhaps you're a skilled storyteller, a gifted artist, or a passionate advocate for a cause. Whatever it is, whatever your interest, they are the foundation of your video content. What stories do you long to share? What are the experiences that have shaped you? What is the knowledge you can impart to others? Your personal journey, your insights, and your opinions are valuable. Finally, why do you want to create videos? Is it to entertain masses, educate the curious, inspire the hopeless, or simply express your creativity? Your motivation will guide your content and keep you inspired. Now that you know yourself, it's time to talk or think about your audiences. Who are you creating for? What are the people you want to reach with these videos or your videos? Imagine your ideal viewer. What are their interests? What are their hobbies? What is their day like? What are the pain points? The more you know about your target audience, the better you can tailor your content to their needs. How can you connect with them on an emotional level? This is very important. What stories, humor, or insights will resonate with them? By understanding their emotion and their aspirations, you can create content that truly speaks to them. Remember, your videos should solve a problem or fulfill a need that they have, right? Are you teaching them a new skill, inspiring them to take an action, or simply entertaining them? By understanding what you want from your target audience or what audiences want from you, you can create content that is both relevant and engaging. So now that you know your audience and your message, it's time to define what's your video style. Video style is like, what is your aesthetic, right? Do you prefer a minimalistic or a maximalistic approach? A bright and a colorful, or a dark and moody? Aesthetic should reflect your brand and your audience. If you're targeting younger audience, you might want to use like pop colors, bright colors, fast-paced editing. But if you're targeting more mature audiences, you might want to use more subdued, subtle color palette, and a slower paced videos. What is your tone? Are you humorous or serious or somewhere in between, like probably me? Your tone should be consistent with your brand and your message. If you're trying to educate your audience, you'll want to use a more serious tone. If you're trying to entertain them, you can use a more humorous tone. What is your format? Will you use vlogs, tutorials, short form content, or a mix of all? Your format should be based on your content, your audience's preferences. If you're trying to build a personal brand, vlogs are a great way to connect with your audiences on a personal level. But if you're trying to teach people a new skill, tutorials are a great way to share your knowledge. So by defining your video style, you can create a consistent and recognizable brand that will help you stand out from the crowd. Now that you have a clear vision for your videos, it's time to set some clear goals. So what do you want to achieve with your videos? That is the most important part. Do you want to build a community? Do you want to generate revenue, or simply share your passion? Your goals will guide your content strategy and help you measure your success. Now you will ask, how will you measure success? Will you track views, likes, comments, or something else? It's important to set a specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, smart goals. This will help you stay on track and make sure you are making progress. What is your content strategy? How will you consistently produce high-quality content that aligns with your goals? A content calendar can help you plan your content in advance and ensure that you are producing variety of content that appeals to your audiences. So by setting clear goals and developing a solid content strategy, you can achieve your video goals and make a super positive impact on your audience. Now that you have a clear vision, a target audience, and a content strategy, it's time to create the content calendar. This will help you stay organized and consistent with your video production. Plan your content in advance. By scheduling your videos in advance, you'll be stay on top of your workload and avoid last minute stress. Prioritize your topics. Not all topics are created equal. Focus on the topics that are most important to your audience and that align with your goals. Schedule your post. Use a content calendar or an app to keep track of your publishing schedule. This will help you probably maintain a consistent posting schedule and keep your audiences super engaged. Also, be flexible. Things change, so be prepared to adjust your plan as needed. Don't be afraid to move things around and add new content as needed. So by creating content calendar, you can ensure your video content is consistent, of high quality, and is engaging. Discovering your video vision is a journey and not a destination. So it's about finding your unique voice and sharing it with the world. By following these simple steps, you can gain clarity, focus, and inspiration. Remember, the key to success is consistency and passion. Keep creating, keep learning, and most importantly, have lots of fun while you do it. Thank you for watching. I'm Malay once again from Caliac Studios, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.